to my channel. In today's video, I have another bump box to share with you guys. I believe this is my last one. I could be wrong, I can't remember. I got 9 months worth. I'm pretty sure this is my 9th box, but I might have one more. I'm 36 weeks pregnant, almost 37 weeks. I'm pretty sure this is the last box. So if you want to see what I got in my last bump box, then just keep watching. So here's the box. I've already opened it, and this one's more geared toward your 3rd trimester, or like the end of your pregnancy and like labor and delivery, obviously. So the first thing I got, which it came in a box, I already took it out of the box just to check it out, but this is called the Player. It's just a cup. It says coffee, leggings, and messy hair, and then on this side it says bump boxes. And it's just a gray coffee cup. Next, I got this Bella Bee Silk and Honey Moisturizing Body Cream, made with organic ingredients, serious moisture that lasts all day with shea, mango, silk, and honey. Hypoallergenic, paraben-free, mild, fresh scent. This is a full size. It's 8 ounces. And I do have something from their brand that I bought off Amazon. It's the Bella Bee Nurture Nipple Wipes. Before and after breastfeeding. I haven't tried them yet, but I've heard good things about the brand, so I'm excited about this. This is just body lotion. Well, can't smell it. It's got the thing still on it. Let's take this off and smell it. It smells really good. The next thing I'm pulling out is a headband. This is Mavi Bands, adjustable non-slip headbands, and you can get these at mavibands.com. It's just got like some velvet liner in it, and then just pretty colorful band, and then a stretchy elastic, and it's even adjustable because everyone's head size is different. So that's pretty cool. Can use that for labor. Next thing I got are these Bump Life socks. It says inhale, exhale, no slip socks. Women's sizes 6 through 10. So I wear 6, so I can wear these. But these are just some warm socks with the rubber grips on the bottom. They say Bump Life. And I'm going to put these in my hospital bag because I didn't have any rubber grippy socks. So they're non-slip, so it makes it a little safer in the hospital so you don't slip and fall when you're in labor or delivering. The last thing in my box this month is this Birds and Bees teas. It's 100% organic, caffeine-free, ripe and ready tea. That's what it looks like. I did just buy some labor tea, which now from like, I think it's called the Stork or something. But yeah, I'll be trying both. And it has 100% organic ingredients: raspberry leaf, hibiscus, rose petals, cinnamon bark, allspice berries, and crystallized pineapple. A nourishing red raspberry leaf blend with hints of cinnamon for the last few weeks of pregnancy. Infusion directions: 1 tablespoon of herbs per cup of water, steep for 5 to 20 minutes. Oh my goodness. Depending on the strength desired. I usually don't steep my tea for more than like 3 or 4 minutes. And you can find this at birdsandbeesteas.com. So, excited to try these. I love teas. I have a tea subscription. I love herbal teas, and I do think that they help and work. And yeah, I actually started drinking red raspberry leaf tea last night. I'm going to start drinking this and the labor tea that I bought to get ready for labor. They just sent me like some coupon codes and things for different products. And then this card, this one says get ready for the big day, and then it tells you the prices of each thing and a description of each thing that was in the box. So the tumbler was $12.99, the headband was $14.99, the tea was $6, the body cream was $9.99, and the socks were $13.99. So it says this box was worth $57.96. So yeah, so that is my last bump box, I believe. So yeah, I really enjoyed getting these each month of my pregnancy. It just gave me a little something to look forward to each month to kind of pamper myself, and I've been using all the products in my boxes. Some of the things aren't things that I would have necessarily bought myself or picked for myself, but I'm glad that I got them, and I'm glad that I had them on hand, and it was just nice to get something each month. Do I think these boxes are worth it? It's hit or miss. Some months are great, some months are just okay, but overall I did enjoy this subscription service, and I think it's a wonderful gift to get the pregnant woman in your life. So even if you just get 1 month, I think you can get 1, 3, 6, 9, and a full 12 months subscription. So you can get it for yourself as a treat, or for whoever you know that is expecting it. It's a great baby shower gift. So yeah, so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope these videos were helpful. I'll have a playlist linked below and at the end of this video of all of my bump box unboxings if you want to see everything that I got for the full 9 months to see if it's worth it to you. Obviously that will depend on your preferences, and it's different for everyone. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one, and I'll have lots of baby videos coming up, and mommy videos and lifestyle videos. That's what I do on this channel. So if you're into that, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell and stick around, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.